Hey there and welcome to my Systeme.io review video. Now in this video, I'm going to go over the pros and cons of Systeme.io, of course. I'm also going to be showing you a little demo, walking you through the sales funnels, the email marketing, the blog creation, and the actual course/membership area creation, all within a free Systeme.io account. Now, one of the first pros that I want to mention is the fact that they do have a completely free plan, so you can sign up completely for free and you're going to get all of these different benefits when you actually sign up for a free account. So if at any point during this video, if you want to get a free Systeme.io account, I will leave a link in the description and in the pinned comment for you to go ahead and check that out. So the first thing I want to go and show you is how to create a landing page or a funnel within Systeme.io. And this is one of the great things about this is they do have a very good funnel builder and landing page builder, even within the completely free plan. So I'm going to go ahead here and create this funnel. I've called it YouTube Demo, and I'm just using the default domain that they give you. So I'm going to click on Save Here and select that I am selling a product. Now I'm going to go ahead and click into this funnel, and I'm going to add a new step, and I'm going to call this test, and it's going to be a squeeze page opt-in. So I'm going to click on save. I'm going to go ahead and drag this to the start of the funnel, and now as you can see, there are a bunch of different templates that you can go ahead and use. Now some of these templates are extremely simple, but those are the type of templates that I love to use because they do get extremely high opt-in rates. So I'm going to go ahead and select one of these very basic templates, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how the editor works. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one because it's extremely simple. I can use this for a plethora of different things. I can edit out the background image, change the text, and use this for any kind of funnel that I'm going to be using. So I can go ahead over here and click on edit page. So I'm going to show you how easy this is. It's just basically drag and drop, click to change. You can honestly change anything in the page that you would like to. You can move different sections. You can select this and put it somewhere else. Obviously that doesn't look great, so I'll add it back up to the top. But all you need to do to edit things is click on them and type it out. So I'll type in YouTube demo video. You can go ahead and add all sorts of different elements over here on the left. If you wanted to add an image, a video, a carousel of images, you want to add more rows or columns, buttons, checklists, social shares, countdowns, everything is included inside of the editor. It is extremely easy to use. So I'm going to click on Save Changes, and we're going to go ahead and preview this page to show you how it looks in a web browser for somebody who's looking at it. Of course, this isn't going to be on the top when somebody views the page, but as you can see, it's extremely easy to set up, and the landing pages look great. And you can use this to collect leads and actually follow up with them inside of Systeme.io. So I'm going to go ahead and exit this now, and I'm going to go over to their actual emails and show you how to set up a campaign so that when somebody comes into your funnel over here, they will automatically get followed up with emails. So this is what the campaign page looks like. I'm going to go ahead and create a new campaign, call this one also YouTube Demo, click on Save, and then now you can go ahead and actually click into it and start setting up your emails that are going to be sent out automatically when somebody opts into your landing page that you just built. So I'm just going to click over here on add an email. So once you clicked on add an email, it's going to give you the option to select your sender name, which is the name of the person the email is coming from, the sender email address, the subject line, and you can choose between the visual or classic editor. I'm going to go ahead and use the classic editor and click on create. Now you're inside of the editor for the email. Again, you can change the subject line here, the sender email or the sender name, and you can actually put in the text that you want to be sent out in the email. So as an example, I'm just going to say, hey, welcome to my email list. Your download is ready below. And then you can just put a link to your download, regards, and then your name, for example. If you want to go ahead and actually add somebody's name or their email address, you can go ahead and use these short codes over here. So if I paste that in there, if somebody entered their first name on my lead capture page, it will put their name in here in the email, okay? So that's how simple it is to actually set up your campaigns and your autoresponders. Just click Save and Publish. Let's say delay 1 minute after they opt in. Click on Publish. Now, as you can see, after 1 minute of somebody signing in or opting in to our capture page or our landing page, you're going to go ahead and get this email. Now, let me show you how simple it is to actually make your landing page connect to your autoresponder campaign. Inside here, you're just going to go to automation rules. You're going to click on add a rule, funnel sent from subscribed. Then you're going to click on add action and you're going to say subscribe to campaign, and then just select the campaign that you've chosen. Click save rule. Now inside of the page itself, I'm just going to go back to the editor. You want to click on the button and you want to change the action when clicked to send form. Click on save changes, and now when somebody opts in on your landing page, they're going to be added to this automation campaign and they're going to be getting emails sent out automatically all through Systeme. And you're also able to do this on your completely free account up to 2,000 contacts or 2,000 leads. So as you can see up to this point, even within a free Systeme account, you can set up really great looking landing pages and sales funnels, and also set up email automation all within one dashboard, which is really, really convenient. So the next thing I want to go over and show you is the courses or the membership site section of Systeme.io. So you can go ahead and name your course, give it a description, select the language, and I'm actually going to go ahead and just click save so I can show you how this works. So I'm going to add a module here and I'm going to name the module demo, click on save. Now this works basically the same as when you are building out a funnel or a landing page. Let me just go ahead and type in demo again here. Select one of these templates. I'm just going to go with the default one here. Click on save, and then you're going to be able to create a module or a lecture within your course. Now, like I said, this is the same thing as when you're creating an opt-in page. You can delete things by simply clicking here. You can edit anything by clicking. You can drag and drop different elements, and you can fully customize your membership area to your liking, so that when you actually get leads and sales coming in to your membership course, you can go ahead and do all of that within Systeme.io, all within one place. So I'm just going to click on Save Changes and Preview. As you can see, it's asking you to log in if you are a customer. So this is obviously only for paid customers, and that's all tracked within Systeme.io. So with that being said, I've got one more thing to show you, and this is the blogs feature. So you can actually create a blog as well as your funnels, as well as doing your emails, as well as all the automation rules, and as well as being able to set up your own course and membership platform. You're also able to create a pretty good looking blog. So I'm going to call this one Online Tech Reviews, and I'm going to put the URL as /review. So you can go ahead and see the different blog templates they got down here. I really like the look of some of these, so I'm going to go ahead and select the one that I like the most, which is going to be this one. I'm going to select the template, click on save, and then the same thing with the funnel builder, the same thing with the course builder. It's literally just drag and drop, click and change, and you can set up a fully custom blog all within the same back office as you're setting up your funnels, your lead capture pages, your emails, etc. Same thing, we're just going to click in here on the title of the post, and as you can see, it's already given me some test posts. I'm going to click on view blog so you can go ahead and check it out and see what this looks like. But as you can see, there's a fully customizable blog, which in my opinion looks pretty damn good, all within Systeme.io. And again, this is all within the free plan. This isn't even any of the upgraded plans like the starter, the webinar, or the unlimited. But of course, if you want to upgrade your plan at any time, you can, and you can see that you get access to all these different features. Now, I didn't have time to go through all of these features in this video. I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough and a demo of some of the main features that I'm personally using and that I assume most people are going to be using when they sign up and get an account with Systeme. So to end out the video, I just want to go over a few pros and cons of Systeme, in my opinion, and if this is something that you should be using in your own business. So first of all, for the pros, for the price, for the fact that you can get in for completely $0 and set up all of these different funnels. As you can see, 3 sales funnels, 1 blog, unlimited blog post, 1 course, and up to 2,000 contacts that you can collect in a completely free account. It's a complete no-brainer if you're somebody who's looking to build landing pages or sales funnels or a membership site or even your own blog. Again, you can do that in a completely free account, and I will leave a link in the description and the pinned comment if you want to go ahead and check that out. The other pros are that this is basically an all-in-one system, right? This is a pro and a con because some of the features inside of Systeme are not going to be as good as platforms, for example, that are specifically made for blogging, right? You're not going to be able to have as much customization or as many features when it comes to an all-in-one system like this. When it comes to funnel building, however, this is up there with some of the top competitors that I've seen. The same thing goes with the emails. The email inboxing is extremely high, and it's all done for you even, inside of one system and one platform. Now, the cons are, like I mentioned, some of the tools and some of the features are not going to be as good as with other ones, but the thing is, for the price that you're paying for Systeme, I think it is above and beyond how much it is worth. Even for the unlimited plan at just $97 a month, you're going to get access to unlimited features within your Systeme account. So if you're looking to scale up your business, you want to collect a lot of leads, you want to have a lot of members in your membership funnel, or you want to send out a lot of emails, collect a bunch of leads, make a bunch of sales, the unlimited plan is obviously a great option for you. So that's it from me in this video today, guys. This is my Systeme review. If you like the video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'm more than happy to help you out. With that being said, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. And if you want to get yourself a free Systeme account, please use the link in the description or the pinned comment down below and start building your websites or your sales funnels today.